Time is one of the most misunderstood tools in the cigar world. Some believe every cigar improves with age, and others think that cigars are ready the moment they're purchased. Today we're separating myth from fact. We'll show when time transforms a cigar and when it's wasted, and how to use both resting and aging strategically. Let's start small. Resting. This is often confused with aging, but it's fundamentally different. Resting is about recovery, not transformation. Cigars travel from factory to distributor to shop, sometimes across continents. Temperature swings, low or high humidity, and rough handling all stress the tobacco. A freshly purchased cigar may seem fine, but it's not yet hit equilibrium. During resting, the filler and wrapper adjust to your humidor's humidity. Flavors harmonize slightly, harsh edges soften, and the burn becomes more predictable. But that change is subtle. A rested cigar is not a matured cigar. It's simply stabilized. Typically, this process takes a few days to a couple weeks, depending on the cigar and its prior conditions. Now, aging. This is where time isn't just recovery, it's transformation. Aging is long-term chemical evolution. Tobacco slowly ferments, oils redistribute, and complex flavors develop. Some notes mellow, others intensify. But here's the nuance. Not all cigars improve with age, and some can actually lose character. For instance, full-body Nicaraguan blends often benefit from years of aging, smoothing rough edges while deepening cocoa and spice notes. Mild aromatics, however, may peak within months. Age them too long, and they become flat, losing their intended vibrancy. The secret isn't just letting time pass. It's selecting the right cigar, controlling temperature and humidity, and knowing the window where aging adds value rather than taking it away. The distinction is simple but crucial. Resting fixes what's broken by travel. Aging changes what's already balanced. Many smokers conflate the two, assuming any cigar needs years to taste good. But in reality, resting affects moisture and burn, immediate and minor improvements. Aging affects chemical composition and flavor complexity, long-term and profound improvements. Some cigars might benefit from both, rest first, then age. Others, rest and smoke. Knowing which category your cigar falls into is a key to mastering your humidor. Before a cigar ever reaches your humidor, something important may have already happened. Factory aging. After cigars are rolled, many manufacturers store them for weeks, sometimes months, in temperature and humidity controlled aging rooms. This is often called marrying the blend. Why? Because the wrapper, binder, and filler were all fermented separately. Rolling them together doesn't instantly unite their flavors. During factory aging, the oils balance, the moisture equalizes naturally, and the cigar begins to behave as one complete expression, not three separate tobaccos sharing the same wrapper. In high-end factories, this step is taken very seriously. Some cigars rest in cedar-lined aging rooms for 90, 120, or even 180 days before they're boxed. Others may be held longer for limited releases. But here's a key takeaway. Factory aging is not the same as long-term aging in your humidor. Factory aging ensures the cigar is ready to smoke as originally intended. Your personal aging changes that intention, sometimes for the better, sometimes not. So when you open a new box and find cigars that already taste balanced and smooth, that refinement may have already happened before you ever opened them. So how do you make time work for you instead of guessing? In start here. Rest every new cigar at least a few days. Assume many premium cigars already experience factory aging. Then decide whether personal aging makes sense for that blend. Track dates, don't age it blindly. And compare. Smoke one early, save one for later. Your humidor then becomes a test lab, and not just a storage bin. Resting stabilizes. Factory aging unifies. Personal aging evolves. 3 different roles with one goal. Better cigars enjoyed with intentions. Master time, and you master your humidor. Thanks for spending a few moments here in the Honest Humidor, where every cigar has a story, and time helps tell it.